everyone, I'm Ahmad Sakul and I'm teaching in the Easy English Learning channel. So don't forget to subscribe, like and follow our channel. So today we have in this video the second lesson of the Let's Go series book. So follow me to, I will start the second lesson to you. So in this video we have the A letter words. The first A word is elbow. Elbow. And the second word is Eddie. And the third word is elephant. And the fourth word is of E letter, E. So we have in the English language we have the A letter words a lot of, like element, like emotion, like a lot of words we have, but there is a simple word of the A letter. So the first elbow, Eddie, elephant and egg. So let's the meaning of this word. Elbow, that's none of, and none of part of the hand. Elbow. The second one is Eddie. That's name. That's common name like Ahmad, Mahmoud, Kiri, Zara, and a lot of that. And Eddie is noun, some person. Name of person. And the third one is elephant. Elephant is name of the big animal who has a big leg, like that. Elephant, name of animal. And egg is name of something like door and a lot of common thing. Egg name. No. So elbow is non part of the hand. Egg, name of person. Elephant, name of animal. Egg is noun. So let's the sentences we make one sentence on one word. Not hard sentences, simple sentences like elbow. My elbow is broke. My elbow is broke. My elbow is broke. So let's the second word Eddie. Eddie is noun, common noun, like that. Eddie and the room. And elephant. Elephant is normal animal. Elephant is strong. Elephant is strong. An egg. Egg. I eat egg. And eat eggs. So, elbow, noun, part of hand. Sentence is that my elbow is broke. AD, noun of person. Sentence is AD in the room. Elephant, noun of animal. Elephant, sentence is that elephant is strong. Egg, noun, and sentence is that I eat eggs. So today we read four word of the A letters of the A letters words. That's elbow, AD, elephant, and egg. So we have today we have one emotional sentences of a day. First that. Try, one day you will fly. That's the emotional sentence. And we have every day the greeting sentences. So that's the greeting sentence that what is your name? That's the question sentence and used in the greeting. Yeah? What is your name? What's your name? My name is Kerry. My name is Jerry. That's so consider that. Ali. I am Chris. So today we have the A letter words. So I hope you learn that words, and our today lesson is finished in their time. So I'm Asbah, and don't forget the bell icon and subscribe our channel and follow our channel. And see you tomorrow video. I'm Asbah.